Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Is NorthOne available in all US states? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what NorthOne is. NorthOne is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that uses the T-Mobile network. This means that you can get all of the benefits of T-Mobile's network, including nationwide coverage, without having to sign up for a T-Mobile plan. So, is NorthOne available in all US states? The answer is yes. NorthOne is available in all 50 states, as well as Washington, D.C. and Puerto Rico. Now that I've answered the question, let's take a closer look at what NorthOne has to offer. Coverage. As I mentioned earlier, NorthOne uses the T-Mobile network. This means that you'll have access to T-Mobile's nationwide coverage, which is one of the best in the country. You can also use your phone in over 215 countries and territories worldwide. Plans. NorthOne offers a variety of plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. The most popular plans are the Unlimited and the Plus plans. The unlimited plan gives you unlimited talk, text, and data. You can also use your phone as a hotspot for up to 10 devices. The Plus plan gives you unlimited talk, text, and 10 gigabytes of data. You can also use your phone as a hotspot for up to 5 devices. Speed. NorthOne offers a variety of speeds, depending on your plan and your location. The average download speed is 20 megabits per second, but you can get speeds up to 100 megabits per second in some areas. Customer service. NorthOne has a great customer service team that is available 24/7. You can contact them by phone, chat, or email. Cost. NorthOne's plans are very affordable. The unlimited plan starts at just $30 per month, and the Plus plan starts at just $25 per month. Pros and cons. Pros. Nationwide coverage. Affordable plans. Great customer service. Variety of speeds. Use your phone as a hotspot. Available in all 50 states. Cons. No family plans. No roaming outside of the U.S. Overall, I think NorthOne is a great option for anyone who is looking for an affordable and reliable cell phone plan. They offer nationwide coverage, a variety of plans to choose from, and great customer service. If you're considering switching to NorthOne, I recommend checking out their website or giving them a call to learn more about their plans and offers. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.